So before we get into the busyness of the week, it's really important to take some time on Sunday, not just to think and to plan for what the week holds in store for us, but also just to take care of ourselves. We often don't take very good care of ourselves. We often don't take very good care of our mind. And Sunday is the perfect opportunity, for most of us at least, to take a few minutes out. So there's three things that I'd really recommend that you do every Sunday. Find a short period of time to sit quietly, whether you call it meditation, reflection, sitting quietly, doesn't matter what we call it. The point is to take some time out, not to be distracted in any way, and just allow the body, the mind to decompress and unwind. The second thing, find something that you really enjoy. Do you remember the last time you really had a sense of play and joy? Even if it's just for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, sometime during the day, reignite that spark. So many people I know can't even remember that feeling. Make the time, and it will make your entire week feel completely different. And then the last one, before you go to bed tonight, before the week even begins, just write down one or two things that you're grateful for. Sounds like a small thing. Sounds like it wouldn't make that much difference. It's surprising, not only how different it makes us feel today, but also how that carries in to the rest of the week. Right now, though, just take a moment or two. Take a deep breath, breathing in through the nose, and then breathing out through the mouth. As you breathe out, if you haven't done already, just gently closing the eyes. Just feeling the weight of the body sinking down. Noticing how the body's feeling today. Respecting that, making sure you take time out if you need it. Starting to notice the breath and how the breath feels in the body today. Again, using the breath as a barometer, noticing how you feel, taking time out if you need it. And just staying with that feeling, with that movement. Knowing that you're going to commit to looking after yourself, the health of your mind, by taking some time out like this. By doing something that you really enjoy, something that makes you happy. And finally, by writing something down that you're really grateful for before you go to sleep tonight. For now, just bringing the attention back to that feeling of contact with the seat beneath you. Coming back to the sounds and the space around you. And whenever you're ready, just gently opening the eyes again.